Hi everyone, I'm going to make a charm bracelet using birds. I'm not really sure about how to connect this one. I might have to use 2 jump rings on it. I can't even pick it up. You can see where the hole is? I don't think that's going to give us much room to connect to the chain. And I might wind up not even using this one. I was thinking sky, clouds, grass, and different colors on. I didn't know what to use. So I'm going to show you how to put one charm on, and then we'll be back and show you how to do the beads, or I'll be back. And I don't know if they'll stay in this order or not. I sort of like that order, but we'll see how it goes. I might have to rearrange it because I don't know about that one. That one, the hole's in an odd place. So, open it up as wide as I can. We're going to take this one and about center is where I think I had it. Oh, I dropped it. Let's get this on. Then we'll put the bird on. Might have to use 2 on that one. Oh, there it fell down. And if I can get it just right, it'll go right back. We actually got one on easy. If they'd all gone that easy, I'd do it all on camera. But I don't think you want to see me struggle to do it. We'll try one more. I want to try this one and see if I can get it. I don't know how with that V tail on it. We'll see. I found the opening. Oh, there it is. Let's see what this looks like first. Yeah, it's gonna need another one. I don't know if I want to go ahead and let's see if we can do it that way. With these 5mm ones, you really don't have that much to hold to. There. Now, see if I can open it up. That's the only way I could think to do it, so we're not going to put it right. I want to be able to take some links out if I need to, because I never know how big somebody's wrist to be. Yeah. Alright, I got it on there. So, watch me have it on the wrong side. Well, he's flying that way, so it's gonna have to go this way. So, at least that's a two-sided bird. I'll have to be careful on the rest of them. But I'm gonna go ahead and put all these birds on, and then we'll be back, and we'll put the beads on. And I'll show you how to cut them like this. And, or if this wire's, I might have to find a stronger wire, because that one ain't well, no, it's bendy. I had some other wires out, so just have to check and see which ones I've got here. Yeah, these are bendy. I'll have to go and find some stronger wires. But I'll be back in a little while and we'll put these beads on. I've got these on there. Pretty little birds. Different kinds. So let's get started. We're going to put these beads on. And all I'm going to do is just open up jump rings and put them beside. You'll use a head pin to string these on. And if it's flimsy, you roll it and make a little wrap around it. I don't have one sitting here to show you. Yeah, make a little wrap around it. So, yeah. But I've already got these that I had strung up that I'm trying to use up. So, I don't think I'll need them, but they're there if I do. I think that'll be plenty. We'll take it. Try to get a good grip on it. My hand is not strong like it used to be. And that's the one that broke, so yeah. So we'll take it and go on the same side as we did our charms on. If I can get it to cooperate. It's only wanting to go through one side. There. Just twist it on. Let's get another one. Keep thinking of that movie Pretty Woman with those jump rings. When she was eating the snails, and she said they're slippery little suckers. Well, they are. I don't know about snails, but the jump rings are. And we'll just continue on hanging these on until we get them all on there. Make sure that your loop is closed really good. So it don't fall off. I would much rather do a wrap around it, but that was thick wire, so. And my birds have fronts and backs on some of them, and well, I guess I didn't need all those beads. I'll be back, and I don't know where they went flying to, but they went flying. I'll be back, and I'll show you what it looks like whenever I get them all on there. Well, our bird one is done. We got all the beads on it, and it turned out really pretty. Yeah, I really appreciate y'all watching and sticking out to the end, and until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.